Okay, children. I'll be sending you an image. Ready with your. This is your maths period, I think, Akshay. Why are you taking out your tree top book? Okay, children. I'm sending you classwork to be done in your arithmetic copy. Write today's date, write classwork, and then do the work as I have done it. And as soon as you do it, you will send it to me in the group. Tasmia, what are you eating, child? What are you eating, beta? This you can do in 10 minutes. After you finish this, we'll do one more work. Quickly start doing your work. This is the maths period, children. Children, please wait. Yes, Hussein. कोई बात नहीं, जब क्लासेस खत्म हो जाएंगे तब करके मुझे भेजोगे. ओके children, suppose you are unable to complete your work, no problem, क्लास ख़त्म होने के बाद करोगे. एंड डोंट सेंड इट टू मी वाइल अ क्लास इज़ गोइंग ऑन. जैसे अभी तुम लोग मुझे लास्ट पीरियड का काम, मॉरल्स का काम, अब मैथ्स पीरियड में मत भेजो. नाउ सेंड इट टू मी आफ्टर द क्लास इज़ ओवर. एंड अक्षय, व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग, बीच में मैम मत बोलो. लेट मी कंप्लीट एंड देन से एक्सक्यूज़ मी. चिल्ड्रन, आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन, जो काम पहले पीरियड का रह जाता है, डोंट सेंड इट टू मी वाइल द नेक्स्ट क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन. वो काम मुझे तुम भेजोगे वंस ऑल द क्लासेस आर ओवर, यानी कि आफ्टर 10:45. राइट नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव सेंट मी योर मॉरल्स वर्क जस्ट नाउ. डोंट डू दैट. Yes, Akshay, what were you saying? Ask me now. Akshay Gupta. What I said ना, अभी मैंने क्या कहा, मैं वही तो बता रही थी. अटेंशन पे कर रहे थे. Were you paying attention to what I was saying just now? You have 10 minutes to do this work, children. Very good, Hanifa. Akshay, last time also I told you your pencils should be sharpened before class, not while the class is going on. Ishanvi beta, काम शुरू करो बेटा. You are constantly moving about. 10 minutes and I'm going to send you the next work.
मैम वर्क आया नहीं है ग्रुप पे.
भेज दिया मैंने.
मैम नहीं शो कर रहा है.
मैं फिर से भेजे देती हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
एक्चुअली बच्चों का वर्क बीच में आ जाता है, देन इट गेट्स लॉस्ट. दैट इज़ वाई आई टोल्ड द चिल्ड्रन कि मत भेजो. पहुँचा?
यस मैम.
ओके, डू इट.
Then I send it work.
Yes, please send it
Okay.
quickly in the group. And if I underline this thing better, the signs. Okay. Good, Hanifa. But underline, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
attendance कितनी बजे देंगे?
Beta, I can't hear you. Speak loudly. Open your mouth and speak loudly, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am. Attendance कब ली जाएगी?
Why you're waiting for attendance? So that you cannot. That so that you leave the next class. That is why I don't tell which class I'm going to take attendance in. Don't worry, I'll take it.
Next class, ma'am.
I don't know. Let me see. Today only 24 children are present at the moment. Let me see how many more are joining. Where are you all gone? Only one child has sent me the work. Yes, Ekag has also sent. Yes, Ekag. Good. Good. Tasmia, write fast, child. Quickly. Laiba, I hope you are doing your work. Yes, Arsalan. Yes, Naima. See, now you all are writing the numbers in the correct squares. Yes, Advait. Good. Yes, Akshat. Nabia, are you writing, child? Laiba, are you writing? Viraj? Vidushi, I can't see you. Akshita? Okay, children. Now, I said I'll send you more work after 10 minutes, so I'm giving you more work now. Yes, Suknoor. Suknoor बेटा, तुमने tens और ones तो ऊपर सही लिखा है, but इधर तुमने you have not written the words under the correct heading. So please make sure that you are writing it properly. Yes, Hashvi. Yes, Sachin. Yes, Akshita. Akshita, you have to underline the signs there. Adya, please send in the group. It is not to be sent over here. You have to send it in the group. Yes, Izan. Good work. Oh, yes, Vidushi. Vidushi, please draw a margin. You haven't drawn a margin. Write classwork, full word. Viraj, the last number is not clear. 9 is not clear, beta. Yes, Adya, good. Tasmia, you have to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H in the margin. And you have left out 1. The last one, 6 and 9, you have left out, Tasmia. Ayansh, 9 you have to write in the ones heading. Tens and ones you have not written. That is why you've made this mistake. And you have not left out the correct number of squares. Yes, Tasmia, got your 6 and 9 also. Vidushi, classwork as I told you, draw a margin.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now, take out your maths book and open to page number 32. Maths book, page number 32. Someone's mic is switched on. Quickly, children, write classwork, write today's date.
Sorry, ma'am. Please tell me the page number again.
I have sent it on WhatsApp also, child. Please check your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Nabia, have you opened your maths book to page number 32? No, Mama will not open it. You have to take out the book yourself.
Wait.
Please check your WhatsApp.
Page number.
I am continuously telling you page number 32. Also, please check your WhatsApp. I have just sent it during class.
That is ये क्या लिखा है?
क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ना है खुद और आंसर भी देना है खुद.
Which animal is?
Please wait for me to tell you. Okay, write classwork, write today's date. Now this is a worksheet that you have to do in the next 10 minutes. It's on ordinal numbers जो हम पहले कर चुके हैं. Animals बने हुए हैं. You don't have to write 1, 2. Which animal is sitting in the 8th car? You have to write the name of the animal. In which car is the elephant sitting? You have to write the ordinal number. Don't write the number. Okay, don't write the cardinal number. You have to write the ordinal number. In which car is the lion sitting? Who is sitting in the 5th car and who is sitting in the 1st car? Parents, please do not help them. Please let them read on their own. Let them work it out on their own. It's a request. It's for the good of your child. When I'm requesting, yes.
Ma'am, due to network problem here, we were not in the class. Please tell the page number to her.
It's on WhatsApp also. It's page 32 of the maths book. While you're doing this classwork, children, I'm going to take your attendance. Someone's mic is on. Please switch it off. Someone's mic is on. Please switch it off. Vidushi, switch off your mic, child. Hadira, switch off your mic.
Switch off your.
All the mics switched off. Going to take your attendance. Adya Verma.
Present, ma'am.
Achint.
Present, ma'am.
Adyan is absent as usual. Advait.
Present, ma'am.
Akshat.
Present, ma'am.
Akshay.
Present, ma'am.
Akshita. Akshita Yadav, Arna Raj, Arna Raj. अक्षिता, मुझे एक बार में ही प्रेजेंट मैम सुनाई दे जाता है, डोंट वरी, देन आई गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. अरसलान,
Present, ma'am.
देवांश,
Present, ma'am.
एकाग्र,
Present, ma'am.
एकाग्र,
Present, ma'am.
फजीलत,
Present, ma'am.
हनीफा,
Present, ma'am.
हाशवी,
Present, ma'am.
हाविरा,
Present, ma'am.
ईशानवी,
Present, ma'am.
जेनिफर, लाइबा,
Listening.
लाविक, माहिरा फातिमा,
Present, ma'am.
अब्दुल्ला, अब्दुल्ला, यासिर, यासिर, where is Yasir Faisal? He was here in class just now. Maybe network problem. Smile, Izan, Izan Siddiqui. Oh, good one. Myra Tandon, Nabia, Nabia,
Present, ma'am.
Naima, 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 beta say present. Naima, say present, man, beta. Okay. Nishkat, Nishkat, you don't have to switch on the mic before time. Naima was unable to give her attendance because your mic was switched on. Shayan, Hussain, switch off your mic, please. Hussain, switch off your mic. Shayan, are you there, child? Shayan,
Ma'am, who is sitting in the segment? That's who.
Shayan is absent today? I didn't see him since the morning. Laiba, your mic is switched on, child. Suknoor,
Present, ma'am.
Swastik, Tasmia,
Present, ma'am.
Veronica, Vidushi,
Present, ma'am.
Yashwardhan, Viraj, Saida. Saida, are you there today? Yatharth, Ayansh, Hussain, Hussain, I've marked you present, Ayansh.
Excuse me, ma'am. It works
Yes, yes. Send it.
उसका नाम क्या था?
Send.
क्या नाम था? मैम 32 पेज नंबर वर्क करके सेंड करना है.
Yes, you have to send. Page 32 also. Who is not this who talks to me only in Hindi? भाई कोशिश तो करो हिंदी इंग्लिश में मिला के बोलने की.
मैम मेरी इंग्लिश
Page number 33. I said page number 32. Who is this? Who wants to drink water? Who wants to drink water? Go. Viraj, please switch off your mic. Yes,
I sent you picture.
yes, I've seen.
मैम I have to thank करना है. This one.
Today there are 25 children in class. And why do I have to answer separately to each child? Why do I have to answer each child separately?
Whose
mic is switched on? Whose mic is...
मैंने कैमरा ऑन हो गया. अभी जाके इसने मुझे मारा था. कैसे मैं?
Okay, Hussein. अब कैमरा नहीं ऑफ होना चाहिए, okay? Okay, children, continue this work, complete it and send it to me, and we'll meet again for the language period. Today we have English in the last period, we'll have language. Be ready with your grammar book and your pencil. Take a short break of 10 minutes and be ready, be back in 10 minutes, children.
My grammar book.
Yes, Vidushi, grammar book.
Okay.